Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dem here, Demthelightss, and I'm back with another video. But this time I'm about to talk about some ways to how to get more hours in your day, and I have wrote down some key steps of how you can get more hours in your day, more time in your day if you are running short on things, or you're not getting the right results from certain things you put into your life. This is how you can save more time, get more effective of your 24 hours you got a day, because we only got 24 hours every day. So the first step I'm gonna say is get organized. So like basically use the first 15 minutes of your morning to organize your work area, go over your to-do list and organize the things needed to accomplish them. So like basically lay out what you need to lay out. So like, you know, you about to go to a party, or not even a party, go to work, go to a function, anything. Lay out what you want to wear. Do what you got to do the day of yesterday for you have more hours in today. Say like you need to submit a homework assignment, you need to pay this amount of bill. Do whatever you got to do in the days before to have more hours when it comes to that day. So you know you want to work out tomorrow morning. Go ahead and get everything you need to work out yesterday, so you can be straight for tomorrow or be straight for today. So just get organized. Alright, and the second thing is to identify your productive time, your most productive time. So like you know that you may be a morning person, you may be an afternoon person, you may be an evening person. Same thing, even afternoon or a midday person. Notice what time of the day do you actually get more things done. Like, you know, when you wake up, you probably don't fully wake up until 11 o'clock. As I say, fully wake up is you don't go and do stuff like until 11 o'clock. You don't run to the bank, you don't run to the store, you don't do your homework until this time. Like, identify your most productive time you got. So, you know, during this time you work the hard. So during this time, you know you gotta get this done, get that done. That's your most productive time. So put all the things that need to be done in the most productive time of your day. You get me? Third is make a to-do list. So I touched on this in the first one. So make a to-do list of what you got to do tomorrow. So like today, say like I need to edit this video, I need to do that, I need to do this. Make that to-do list and knock it out tomorrow. In reality, I'm gonna do the to-do list today. I'm gonna knock out some of my to-do list tonight when I'm not doing nothing, or I'm bored just watching TV. I'm gonna knock out that to-do list so I'll be free tomorrow. That's how you get more time into your day, more hours into your day. Make your day longer, make your day more productive, and make your day more happier on yourself. Just knock out to-do lists. So which a to-do list, it will actually drive you to your goal. It will drive you want to do something. Like, it's a goal in your mind that's placed in your mind to do something. Fourth, I would say find more time in your day. So like basically wake up earlier, go to sleep early. Just like I want to do something earlier tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to sleep early tonight at 10 o'clock, get up early tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So I got more of the day. I got more 24 hours to do. People be like, I don't got enough time to do this, I don't got enough time to do this, because they have slept for so long. They get a shorter day. It's 24 hours in a day. You slept for probably like 11 hours. Shoot, you only got 13 hours left in your day to do anything. And you know, work usually take us 7 or 8 hours. So there your day. That's what happened. You went to sleep late, you didn't wake up early. That's where your time is going, because 24 hours is very crucial. There's 24 hours to be great. Every 24 hours you be better. You do 1% of what you got to do today every day on each thing, you be 1% better. You be 365% better at the all end of the calendar year, because it's 365 days in the calendar year. So fifth, I'm gonna say schedule and stay to your schedule. So write down what you got to do, what time slot. Don't get off schedule, because business, what a business do. So like you go to the dentist or you go to a doctor, they got schedule slots where they put you in, or go and get a haircut, go get your hair done, whatever. You got different schedule slots that they throw you in. Do they not go off schedule? Because when they go off schedule, they push back their days and their times and mess everything up for their business, which is causing them money. See, you going off schedule, it's costing you money. So you could be doing something else that's helping you in your craft or whatever, but you falling off schedule that is costing you. It's hurting your pockets in the long run. People don't realize that. So make a schedule and stick to it. So like I said again, edit a video, make a YouTube video. You want to go here, go do that, run to the bank. Just make a schedule. And when you make your schedule, it's going to fall through very fast. And you're going to see your free time, what you got to do. So with that free time in your schedule, you can redo something else, do something tomorrow, or whatever you got to do. But in reality, with that free time, you use that free time to get ahead on somebody. Use that free time to learn a new skill, learn anything new that's going to give you value to you, because it's an asset. It's going to make you money. So 7, I would say, to get more hours in the day is to just do little things around the house. So like, for me, make your bed every morning. When you make your bed every morning, it sets your mind that, oh, I'm up, I got something to do. That's my first thing I need to do in the morning, make my bed, and I'll be good to go. Or I need to go run. I'll run every morning too. That's get your day going. Again, run early in the morning, get the body pumping, get everything straight, and you be set to go. Like, you just be good, man. So that's another thing I'll do. 8 is do double duty. So like, say like you sit in traffic, or here's another thing. When I was at school, I had to walk to class. Instead of just walking to class and listening to music, jamming out, I would be walking to class, looking over slides, looking over class slides before a test. All that is doing double duty. All that is double time. I'm putting 2 efforts into one. 2 things go inside of one will make my day go by really fast and have me more time and do me good productivity in my life. So do double duty, as in, like I said, walking to class, get that done, studying in a car, in traffic, study, do that, edit a video when you free while hanging out with somebody. Like, do your time, like double down. And 9, I would say again too, is just say no. You don't gotta say yes to everybody. You don't gotta say yes to hang out with everybody. Hear me out again. You don't gotta say yes to everybody to hang out with them. It's okay to say no to certain people, because this is your time. Your time is something you can't get back. You can't get back time from people. You can't get back time. Time is priceless. No amount of money can take up for your time. It's all about how you have your time. So you can say no to certain people. You don't gotta hang out with that person every day. You don't gotta do that. You don't gotta be a friend to them every day, as in hang out with them, talking to them, doing that. Like, you can focus on yourself, because yourself is what you're gonna get money. Your friend not gonna go in here and work for you and give you money. If they is, man, that's a different type of friend. I ain't never seen that before, really, except for your parents do that to you. But just learn to say no. Last one is avoid all interruptions. Avoid anything that is nonsense. Avoid it. Avoid all the things that's going to lead you to go off track, as in if it's watching TV, being on social media sites, trying to listen to music all the time, anything. Just avoid it, because that's going to mess you up and your time is going to fly by. And this is something real too I'm going to touch on too. So like, how to get more hours in your day is simply another thing to my young people. Like, I'm young too, I'm 22, don't forget that. Like, I know I be sounding like old head sometimes, but it's real though. Like, in our generation, like, we worry too much about the girls, we worry about too much of these guys, what they doing, who are they talking to. Like, you focus too much energy on certain things where you can focus into your life. Like, when you just focus, you be set to go. You don't gotta worry about who doing that, or doing this. You be set. Quit worrying about that, because you worry about that 24/7. That's what you're gonna get back in return. What you putting your time in heavily is what you get back in return. You put your time in playing a video game all the time, what type of time you gonna get back? You're just gonna be a good person playing a video game. And people don't really get paid from playing video games unless that's your job. If you doing it just for fun, you could be doing something else. You're wasting your time, really. I used to be heavy on the video games in middle school and stuff like that. Just heavy, playing the game all the time. Well, I realized me playing the game, I wasn't playing for money or none of that. I was just wasting my time. Just wasting it. I could have been doing something else. So this lead me into this part. Focus on what is important. So like you in school, man, you know you in there for 4 years. You want to do it in 4 years. Most people do it in 5 years. But I'm going to flex on me. I did mine in 4 years because I focus on what is important. I didn't focus on the parties, the girls all the time, doing this, doing that. I focus on what is important. I focus on my schoolwork and focus on me. That's why I was able to graduate in 4 years because I did what I had to do. I went to school to study school. I didn't go to school just to play around and stuff like that. I went to school for school and networks. Y'all doing it total opposite these days. Y'all going to school just to have fun, get out of your mama house and party and stuff like that. Like, no, that's the opposite. Focus on what is important, because only thing you're doing with the school way too, you going to party, wasting 5 years, another semester doing that, taking extra classes, when in reality, you got to pay back all that money. You got to pay back that money. You got to pay back them loans. You got to pay back all that, and you just waste your time when you could have done it 4 years. And if you took out loans them 4 years, you'll be only paying back 4, but now you're paying about 5, 6, 7. But we're not going to talk about my 4-year loans. That's on my, going to say I have loans or nothing like that. We're going to touch that into a new video when we're going to talk about that time. And y'all going to be surprised about that, how I did this. But that's in the next video. If y'all interested into that video, comment down below for me, guys. But another thing is, stop messing with the wrong group of people, man. Everybody is not your friend. Everybody don't want to see you succeed, man. Quit messing with these people that not focused. All they care about is now. They're not thinking about the future, because that's going to mess you up. Quit. Oh, I'm going to hang out with him, go party with him, do that, drink with him, everything. Drink with her. You hang around the wrong group of people that is worrying about keeping up with somebody, keeping up with the Joneses. You know about that term, man. I'm not going to explain, because if you don't know about this by now, go back into my previous videos and learn about that or Google it up. But if you're learning about keeping up with the wrong people, man, quit. Just stop. Just stop. What you doing, what you did in school, or what you did here and that, or doing that, it's not going to matter, because life is going to go on and people going to forget all about what you did. People is only worried about themselves. So you should worry about yourself. And time management, man. That's a good key part, man. Time management, bro. If you early on time, if you're on time, you're late. You know what that stands for. But just manage your time, man. Manage your time better. So like, another thing, a good time management skill. If you're not a good editor on YouTube, hire somebody to do your editing for you. So it save you more time. You can knock out more videos. Work both ways. Sometimes I edit my videos. Sometimes I need to get more stuff done. I'm gonna hire somebody to do that, knock out that grunt work right fast for me. It's a business in this relationship that we got going on. It's a business and everything. And also to the people that's on the job too. So I know a lot of people ask me like, I got a job, but I don't got the time to learn about your videos, learn more in your videos, and do this and put these steps together. If you know you're working 8 hours, 9 hours, and you making all that money, so save your money. Put that money to the side, so when they fire you, or when they lay you off, or you quit, or anything, like, you have your money to the side where you can put that to something that's good. You can put that into what you need to do. All about is time management, saving your money. Once you can put that to the side, you can start doing other things. You get off work late. You get off work around 8 or 9 hour shifts or 7 hour shifts. You got some time, you know what you got to do. So just put in overtime, double time. How the work pay you overtime to go work, because they know you're not working for your regular hours, so they're going to put you in overtime. They're going to pay you more money to go work overtime. That's what you do when you go home. You put in overtime. You put in more money, more hours working to what's going to help you get out your lifestyle. It's called putting in overtime. Overtime is a real thing. Overtime is not just in sports. Overtime is just not in money. Overtime is in life. You go into overtime. Everything I do, every day I go into overtime. I learn more. I do more. It's overtime. Ain't no time to be sleeping. Ain't no time to be playing games. Because if you know where you want to be at in life, you will put in that extra work to get there. You're not going to wait, or you're not going to wait for a handout, beg somebody. You're going to do the work. You're going to do it. You want to be a YouTuber, you're going to go and be a YouTuber. You want to be a good computer scientist, you're going to be a good computer scientist. You want to be a good teacher, a good anything, good car salesman, anything. You're going to put in that work to get there. You're going to put in overtime to get there. So I need everybody to tighten up. I need y'all to tighten up, man. Because I don't know who been talking to y'all like this. I don't think y'all never had anybody talk to y'all like this. But put in that work, man. The work is there for you to put in the overtime. You gotta change your mindset too, bro. This is mindset games, but these are just steps and ways where you can get more hours put into your day if you just follow these simple rules, these simple steps that I gave you. Ain't no reason for you to do none of this. Like none. Ain't no reason for you not to do none of this. What I just listed. Okay, if you want to be successful, you would do that. Only a person that don't care about their life or somebody in their generation before, after them, like they child and anything, they won't follow these steps. They be still stuck in the situation that they do now. Cause I promise you, if you don't take up some of these steps, you're gonna be in the same situation, like I said, as you in now. You know how you go to school, you looking back at the same people that's still doing the same thing you did in high school or college, and they still in the same situation. That's because they don't got none of these skills what I just listed out. They don't know how to manage their time or get more hours in their day. They just focus on one thing. And I've seen it multiple times. Multiple. Wasting 4 years, 3 years, 2 years of their life. People that go to prison, they come out. They got their time on hold. They come out and pass everybody. Because they know time is important. You can't get time back. Time is priceless. So manage y'all times better, guys. That's really what all I got to say. I know this video is kind of long. I ain't never seen no video like this coming from Demthelightss before, man. But I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Give me some, engagement on this video. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me how you think about my skills. And share my video out to everybody, man. We on our way to, I believe, 300 subscribers right now. I appreciate everybody who gave me support, man. Genuinely, like me and everything and supports me. But we're gonna make it one day, make it to the top, cause that's where we heading. Demthelightss crew, we're going to the top. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subs by the end of next month. I want to get to 1,000 subs. If I don't get next month, man, it's gonna come by the end of the year, most likely. But you know me, I'm rushing it. I'm gonna push it because I'm gonna get to what I want. I'm gonna put in overtime. That's what Demthelightss gonna do. That's what Dem gonna do. He gonna put in that overtime to get where he wants to be at in life, man. But yeah, this is a long video, guys. I got more content on the way. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Demthelightss. I'm out. Peace.